fantastic way to start the morning. It's about 2 minutes before sunrise, and we've come to the same spot roughly of where that buffalo kill was from last night, and here we find 10 members of the Blackdam Pride. This is basically the end to the story. Behind me you can see who has pitched up and arrived. A couple of vultures, 2 or 3 hyenas in this vicinity, and they are just finishing up what is really left of this buffalo kill. It's actually incredibly impressive. I am standing in the spot where we had those lions yesterday. And it just goes to show that out in nature nothing goes to waste. But right there, that's where the buffalo was.